Today we are going to be doing the Motor City Pizza Company 5 cheese bread, Detroit style deep dish cheese bread. Whew, I got all that out. We tried some samplings of this at Costco, at least my family did. I didn't, but they said it was delicious. I'm a fan of Motor City. They got other good stuff, like their pizza's delicious, so I think we're gonna have some good luck here. Real easy, we're gonna cook this in our air fryer. We love to cook everything in our air fryer. It says preheat oven to 425. Okay, I've got that. It comes in a 2-pack. This is going somewhere in right around, I think, 14 bucks or so. It says remove cheese bread from plastic wrapper, but keep in tray. Now we'll take the plastic wrapper off. Don't leave that on there. That would probably be really bad to melt all over your bread. I'm gonna turn on our air fryer right now, get it going. Those of you that want to review on the air fryer, you also can look right here. We went with a bigger one so we could put stuff like this in it. Okay, it says place pizza on center rack, do not broil. Baking tray should not touch the sides or back of the oven. And then bake for 15 to 18 minutes. Once cheese is melted, remove from oven, cut and serve. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there because I think timing wise I'll be fine. Again, I put it on the bake setting. We'll put it in the middle. We'll give it somewhere right around 18 minutes or so. Now again, here at Chef Dawg, we like to review Costco stuff. We try to follow the instructions to a T, and then we let you know how it turns out. I'm not a cook, but I like to. I think there's a lot of you probably out there the same way. So that's why Costco's fun. Okay, some nutritional facts. That says 24 servings per container. Serving size, 1 out of the 12. So you cut it in pieces of 12, but 150 calories, 7 grams of protein, 17 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat. There's a tray already included for it, right? So it goes, the tray went right in there with it. All right, we'll see in about, give it 17 or so minutes. We'll see if it actually even needs to be that long. We'll find out. I do like it crispier though. So I generally tend to cook a little longer than most. Okay, bye. Timer just went off. There you go. That was about 18 minutes right there. Well, the recommendation is to remove it from this. I don't know why. I'm not going to. Make sure it's off the sides. See if it sticks to the bottom of it. Nah. I guess they did say remove it from the tray because then the ends are still going to be stuck to each other because you can't get it all the way through. There's the Motor City Pizza Company bread, 5 cheese. Okay, let's see if the 18 minutes, obviously the tops, I love that. That's perfect for me. So if it's a little doughy at all inside here. I don't know if you can see that, but a little bit of sauce coming out there. Oh yeah, yummy, hot. Whew. That is good. Wow. Okay, well, that's better than I thought it was gonna be. There is a cheese sauce underneath this. Not sure which one exactly, but that's delicious. So 18 minutes for us was perfect. Big fan. Wow, I'm gonna give that a big thumbs up. I'd eat that with anything. This tastes like it's from a restaurant. This really does. It tastes like I got it from a restaurant, or the bread or whatever. It's cooked perfectly. That bottom's perfect. Just nice and crisp. A little bit of oil there, cheese oil. Yeah, love it. Highly recommend. I'm gonna give this thing if I could give it a 10, I'm gonna give this thing a 10. Love it. I have no issues with it. Okay, hey, if you like our channel, remember, subscribe, like, share, and all those other fun things, and have a good one. Bye.